a little cold out here. I feel like there's a lot of wind coming in. S1000Rr 2022, and we're in Brazil. It might not look like it yet. Get to the streets, maybe it'll be a little bit more apparent. We're in the northeast of Brazil, in a city called Salvador, state of Bahia. A lot of history here. Beautiful beaches, cool people, cool vibes, just laid back life. Just get out of the suburbs and into the street. It's my first time testing this mic setup, so I'm not sure. I got a windsock. I don't have it on my helmet rig. I just kind of got up and grabbed it and just left out the door. But you know, next time I'll take some time to put the windsock on. I don't have the chin guard either, so there's wind probably getting inside my helmet, which might make things sound a little bit worse, but hey, we'll do what we can. It's our first moto vlog, so any of you guys out there wondering, I'm using the GoPro Hero 11 Black. Yeah. Let's hit the streets. Let's see. It's like 11 p.m. out here, Brazil. Body. There's a highway over there, guys. But we're not going to Salvador right now. I'm just gonna hit McDonald's. There's a speed camera coming up over here. I learned that the hard way. There it is. See it? Candid camera. Doing 60 kms, guys. We're on the metric system out here. Kilometers per hour. I think we're good now. Past it. Love the S1K. Love it. Love it. I almost bought a Harley down here. I was looking at a Street Glide Special, pearl white, and I just couldn't get the deal done. I had problems sending the money down here. They've got all kind of bureaucracy in place. When you send money, you gotta like there's a process for it, or else they'll just send the money back. Thing is, the money takes like a month to get back, so it's like you're sitting around wondering like, oh shit, am I ever gonna get my money back, you know? Let's check that out. It's cool. These guys are on horses here in the middle of the night. More horses. What's this, horse riding night? I don't know. There's another speed camera up here. Oh yeah, this is Brazil. Guys on more horses and shit. This is my neck of the woods, and I love it. You can have some of your creature comforts, but culture here it's a lot different from where I lived in the States, which is Las Vegas. Can be dangerous out here though. This very street that I'm on, I remember at one point I was going somewhere and it's like so much traffic. I'm like, hey, what's going on? So I start texting like you know, friends and stuff in the area so you can see what's going on. And there was a protest, and maybe right in the area that I'm in now, if not a little bit further up, there were people who were like just destroying anything in sight. I mean, I'm talking about spraying kerosene on car tires and straight lighting them up, lighting them on fire, just doing whatever they could to be destructive here, to make their point that they weren't happy with something that had just recently happened. Most part though, it's pretty chill. Volkswagen dealership in Brazil. I'm gonna hit this barrio. Name of this barrio is called Villas do Atlântico, and there's a McDonald's here. So I call those guys the Excite Bike crew. Man, see these guys in these little motos? You'd be surprised, man. Some of these guys, I mean, they're on like little 150s, but man, I've seen them do some crazy stuff on those bikes, man. Hopefully we can catch some of that later on and show you what I mean. They're really good at riding those bikes. I'll just put it at that. No fear. You see this guy just passed me. He's got this huge red thing on the back. He's a food delivery guy. It's called iFood. It's an app that they use in order to place orders for food. And this guy shows up on this little Excite bike with his red package or whatever you want to call it with your food. It's pretty cool, actually. I don't actually remember now where this McDonald's. I'm not sure if it's here or thinking about it. I don't think it is over here. So you guys might get some bonus stuff. It's not here. Thinking, where would it be? I think I remember now. We need to hit a Yui. Let's bust the U. Not how I would do it in the States, though. I'm gonna bust this illegal U. Because it's safer. Basically. Alright. It's safer for me. Yeah, I remember now how to get to it. So, my bad. All the barrios are so different here. The one that I'm in now is like, it's more affluent, to be honest with you. Brazil's all about community. People help each other out. You can see it when you're in the street and people stop to let people turn in front of them and stuff. Like, yeah, right. You try that in LA, try that in Vegas. You'll be sitting there for a while. What's this guy? This a woman? What's she doing? It's always something crazy going on. I'm riding around in second gear. I know I don't need to do that, but another side butt guy. Barzino. Barzino is another word for a little bar. Bar is bar. You put Zeno on the end. It says it's like phonetic. I don't know what. I forget the terminology for it. But in first that it's small. Barzino. It's actually a nice night out here tonight. It's not too chilly. No, this is a tropical climate. Some of you guys are like, chilly, what? Yeah, right. I've just been down here for so long. It's it can get cold to me. Alright, so there's the McDonald's. And let's see what's up. I'm feeling a Big Mac right now. It's a nice range. Somebody got the range parked outside McDonald's. Fine neutral BMW. Oh, you did good.